How to fix Steam disk write error. So if you want to fix the Steam disk write error, then first you just need to open up your Steam application. And once you open your Steam, go for the library. And once you're here on the library, now you need to right click on the game and go for properties. Under properties, you need to go for installed files and click on verify integrity of the game files and wait for the integrity of the game to be reviewed. Now, once you've done, you just need to go back and remove the Steam application. And once you've done that, now what you need to do is you need to simply close that. And here, you need to right click on your task manager or the taskbar and simply go for task manager. Once you're in the task manager, now here, if you have the Steam application running, then you just need to simply right click on it and then you need to end the task of your Steam. Once you end the task, your problem will be fixed. And now the third fix is you just need to search for your Steam. Once you search, go for open file location. And here you will have your location, right? So simply click on the shortcut, right click on it, and then you need to go for properties. And you need to go for the compatibility option. And under compatibility, here you will have an option of run this program as an administrator. You need to simply check that box and then click on apply and click on OK. And double click on it and it will ask you if you want to allow this app, then click on yes. And now you just need to simply go for Steam, which is on the upper left, and go for settings. Under settings, you need to go for downloads, and under downloads, you need to go for the download region. So choose the download region. When you select a region, it will ask you to restart. So you just need to simply click on restart now and you need to restart your Steam. And once you've restarted, you just need to go for clear cache, which is here, and then click on confirm and clear your cache. And after that, your app will restart again and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Steam disk write error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.